there's enormous room for changing the process, beyond like little tweaks, do this a little faster, that a little faster, do whatever, different temperature. You could say, well, no, this machine needs to come out and be replaced with a different machine. Those kind of decisions, those are the things that would really change the game.
And I think it's exactly that makes me like a dog with a bone on this. If that's his vision, and I think it's the right vision, then to me, it seems like the business question is, how do we take the minimal steps now that are, like, as an example, all the temperature stuff, fair, it's small peanuts. But how do you build the case for the big thing without showing that there's a lot of ROI on the small things? One thing I took away, especially this second conversation is really helping me, is that I would have said to myself, if that's my big vision, my short run goal is to show the value of RL, even on tiny things. My medium run goal is actually to say factories need to make themselves more RLable by asking the question, what is the dollars you can spend into the process to make it more RLable? Like, if we believe in the RL approach, we should say, great, what are the small to medium to bigger changes that I'm going to make? What's my pathway? Because equipment gets replaced at a certain rate. The next time you have to replace this equipment, here's an extra X dollars that you can spend. That extra X dollars makes you more RLable. Like, I would have had a strategy pathway, which was, show value, figure out a strategy to make the machine more. It's like putting on my economist hat. What all this should say is there is a return to activity X. The activity X is the capacity to do RL.